डियर व्यूवर्स, ये लिटरेसी मोबिलाइजर के पास्ट पेपर के हवाले से पार्ट 9 है। इसका पहला क्वेश्चन है, द बैटल ऑफ प्लासी वॉज फॉट इन 1757। हु वॉज द फेमस फीमेल फ्रीडम फाइटर ड्यूरिंग द revolt of 1857? Its answer is Rani of Jhansi. Next question, the British official responsible for the partition of Bengal into two provinces was Lord Curzon. Next question, which Muslim majority area of Punjab was awarded to India by the 1947 Boundary Commission? Ferozpur. Next question, the Muslim rule in Mysore was established by Hyder Ali in 1739. Which Muslim ruler sacked Delhi? Nadir Shah. In subcontinent, Lord Macaulay is known for his contribution in the field of education. Next question. Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah presented his 14 points in 1929. Next question. The second Governor General of Pakistan was Khwaja Nazimuddin. Next question. The number of seats for women in the National Assembly is 60. Next question. The number of jails in Punjab, 32. Next question. What is the main town of which tribal agency? Its answer is South Waziristan. Next question. The coldest place in Pakistan is Ziyarat. Next question. The proposed Kalabagh Dam is a hydel power project. Next question. The term fourth estate referred to. Its answer is press. Next question. Carnivores are animals that feed on. Its answer is other animals. Next question. When a prisoner is released conditionally before the expiry of his sentence, it is called parole. Pakistan's second constitution was promulgated in 1962. Sachal Sarmast is the famous Sufi poet of Sindh. Mr. Zulfikar Ali Bhutto became the Prime Minister of Pakistan in 1973. The Council of Islamic Ideology has been established to see that all laws are made according to the injunctions of Islam. Next question. Qadr gas field is in Sindh. The capital of United Arab Emirates is Abu Dhabi. Next question. The Silicon Valley is in USA. Is famous for computer business. Next question. Taksim Square is in Istanbul. Next question. Madagascar is in Africa. Next question. Lionel Messi is a famous player of football. Next question. Mir Khalil Rahman was the founder of Jung Group. Next question, which employ the major workforce in Pakistan? Agriculture sector. Next question. The first great Arab alchemist was Jabir bin Hayyan. Next question. The term Grand Slam is associated with tennis. Next question. Which acid is used in batteries? Sulfuric acid. Next question. The blood vessels that carry blood away from the heart are called arteries. Next question. Nasser Ali Khan was the interior minister. Next question. Sayyid Nayyar Hussain was the chairman Senate. The T8 organizations, the developing eight, comprises of Muslim countries. Next question. Khartoum is the capital of Sudan. Next question. Which of the following in the clotting of blood? Platelets. Which of the following help in the clotting of blood? Platelets. Next question. A short sighted person can see clearly the near objects. Next question. A paratrooper jumping from a plane will experience the state of weightlessness. Next question. Speed of sound is dash the speed of light less than. Next question. The picture of back at Rs 5000 note is of Faisal Mosque. Next question. A personal account cannot be opened in State Bank of Pakistan. Next question. Aleppo is the coastal city of Syria. Next question. At night, the plants give out carbon dioxide. Next question. The dash of a substance changes when it is heated. Volume. Next question. Asian Development Bank ADB was established in 1966. Next question. Who were the three statesmen who formulated non-alignment? Naam, Nehru, Nasir, and Titu. Next question. Who was the founder of Hamas in 1987? Sheikh Ahmed Yassin. Next question. How many official working languages are recognized by UNO? 6. The total percentage of silicon in the earth crust 27.272. Next question. The Iran Pakistan India gas pipeline is also known as peace pipeline. Next question. Where is headquarters of UNICEF? New York. Next question. Which is the national flower of Pakistan? Jasmine. Next question. The capital of Argentina? Its answer is Buenos Aires. Next question. Which is the largest country in Africa? Algeria. Next question. Name the currency of Sri Lanka. Rupiah. Next question. The existence police system in Pakistan is based on the Police Act of 1861. When US bought Alaska from Russia 1867. Next question. Who was the creator of Nobel Prize? Swadeshi chemist and engineer Alfred Nobel. Next question. Battle of Plassey was fought in 1757 between English and Nawab Sirajuddaulah. Next question. Which choice supply the missing figure in the following blank space to continue the services? 48, 45, 40, 33, 24. So its answer is ये इसका solution है 24. Next question. The length of Islamabad Peshawar section of motorway 154 km. In the composition of earth, oxygen is 46%. SHO is police department is the abbreviation of station house officer. Next question. The art of writing in code or cipher is called cryptography. Next question. In terms of area, which is the largest administrative district of Punjab? Bahawalpur. Who was the first Muslim ruler of Indian subcontinent? Qutbuddin Aibak. Grozny is the capital of Chechnya. Next question. The musician who composed the national anthem of Pakistan? Abdul Karim Chagla. Next question. Lake Manchar is the largest lake in Pakistan. Is situated at Dadu. Next question. Velocity of sound in air per second 331 meters. Next question. Which instrument is used for comparing earthquake magnitudes? Richter scale. Next next question. Olive branch is symbol of peace, while lotus is the symbol of culture and civilization. Approximately how much part of Jammu and Kashmir is under Indian occupation? 2 by 3. Which disease is completely eradicated in the world? Smallpox. Alzi Palace is the official residence of President of French. The Earth's movement around its axis once in 24 hours is called rotation, while its rotation round the sun once in approximately 365 days is called revolution. Next question. Qaid-e-Azam Jinnah, The Story of Nation, is a biography of Qaid-e-Azam written by G. Eliana. Next question. Uh, at 12 o'clock noon Pakistan Standard Time in London, UK, shall be 7 a.m. Next question. Dead Sea is lying between Israel and Jordan. Next question. In which of the following games player in is known as matador bullfighting? Next question. Muslim scientist who is credited with the discovery of sulfuric acid, nitric acid, and hydrochloric acid? Jabir bin Hayyan. Who? What do you understand by the term brain drain? Its answer is migration of skilled labor the to other countries. Next question. Victoria Falls is in Rhodesia. Next question. How many were the writer two of the Wahi? How many were the writer of the Wahi? Its answer is 42. Next question. Pure gold is dash carat gold 24 carat. Next question. The duration of day and night at north and south poles is 6 months. What was the rule of the Qaid-e-Azam for enacting the Rowlatt Act? Opposed it. Its answer. Next question. People prefer to wear white clothes during summer because do not observe heat. Next question. Warsaw is the capital of Poland. FIR stands for First Information Report. The largest island in the world is Greenland. Sorry. Which of the following languages is spoken by the largest number of people in the world? Its answer is Chinese. Next question. 30% of 100 is equal to 3% of. Its answer is 1000. Next question. So these are the mathematic questions. You see them. A man bought 27 apples, though but no of them are bad. How many are good? Its answer is 21. ये एक मैथ का क्वेश्चन है 98 नंबर क्वेश्चन मिस्टर अकरम बोरो RS 500 फ्रॉम बैंक एंड 4 years 4 साल के लिए और 11% इस पर इंटरेस्ट रेट था और इसका आंसर होगा 220. सो ये 99 नंबर क्वेश्चन है. If 30% of a number is 12.6, find the number. Its answer is 42. Next, last question is this video. The price of a car, including 6% sales tax, is RS 154431.40. What is the market price of a car विदाउट टैक्स? और इसका आंसर है 145690। सो इस वीडियो में इतना ही। मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने और सुनने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू।